Hello, this is Peggy St. Peters with Caldwell Banker Lakeside, and today I'm just going to give you a quick update. I think they did a bunch of work today just like they do every day, but it isn't as dramatic. But what I really want to show you are these floor choices. I think I kind of did it quickly yesterday. Oh, for goodness sake. How can I get that camera there? There, how's that? So the light wood, this farmhousey look is very, very much in style. I kind of love the wide plank, and I love this look in other people's houses, and maybe it would be good in here. I'm not sure, but I think I have enough traditional elements that I'm a little afraid of going that far. So the one in the middle is actually a light floor. It doesn't look that light here, and right now it's very dusty from all the work that's being done, but it is a wide plank, which is very much on trend, and it isn't that dark, but it does look dark in here with the sun not shining on it, but I think that's our floor. Here is maybe another view. See how it looks lighter from here? So we're doing the one in the middle. I think I said that quickly yesterday, and I'd love to hear what you think. It's not a definite choice, but I think it will be pretty. They did some electrical work today. It's just not quite the super exciting stuff, but maybe this is a better picture because I think yesterday it was a little dark. And I will just show you this because I think this was dark, and I actually have power here. There's a little bit of power. Oh, she says that there. No. Well, that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for this one. Anyway, it's light enough that you can see. They pulled out the top wall so that now my mud bench / drop zone, whatever you want to call it, is in place. So I have to get myself moving and buy some fixtures now that I have an electrician here. They're putting spaces up for fixtures, and I got to get the fixtures. So thanks so much for tuning in. It's a short one today because there isn't as much obvious stuff. And let me know what you think about the floor. Do you like it? It is the new look. We're just not going all the way. And I think you can understand why when you see, stuff like this. Like, it's just kind of traditional. And I know you can mix styles, and I am mixing styles, but I'm not sure if I can mix that much. The farmhouse with the wainscoting and the pillars the way they are. And I like the wainscoting. I don't want to get rid of it. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.